Hello everyone, it's Dino, your average person that makes cringe. Yippee! So we're gonna be playing Natural Disasters Survival. I don't know if this is the actual one, but I think this is because it has a lot. Is it? Jesus Christ. Yeah, it's definitely that one. Sorry. I can't really speak that loud because everyone's sleeping. And Jesus. I played this game a lot when I was like younger. For some reason. God man, so I have no clue what the hell that is. Survivors. A lot of survivors. But yeah. I really don't know what to do. Mainly. I don't really have anything to talk about. Just talking to a screen. Bunch of non-existent people. God damn it. Yeah. Still nothing's going on in chat. Let me just say that. They'll probably say something. This is very awkward. I do not know how to speak. Because I am stupid. Oh, no. I don't know if any of these people know how to speak, but I guess they know something. Yeah, we could just mommy or something. Okay, that's just a mommy. I was right. I guess this is like one of the easy ones. God, everything used to be so hard when I was like first time playing this game because you know, people are new and they don't know what to do, so they stupidly become the most stupid person that exists on Earth. But this is probably the easiest one, judging if you play this game a lot. Oh god, I don't want to lose. But it does. Oh god, yeah. I forgot that happens. Oh, that's fun. I forgot that happens. So it's not really the easiest, but it happens. Did anyone survive? There's this one guy that's one male or female survived. Oh god. Okay, that's pretty funny. Kindergarten Jaden. Wait, kindergarten? Oh god. I don't know how to pronounce that. What? Are you in kindergarten, buddy? It is. You good? No. No. I have no clue. Oh god. Okay, so something is store. Why? Yes. I don't know if I should. Kindergarten. Okay, I don't know how to spell anything right now. I don't know if that's how you spell it, because I'm the stupidest person. Why? Just why? I have no clue what's going on. Okay, I have. Is this a flood? Okay, cool. Halfly easy, but halfly not. Buster. like crawling for medicine. I have no clue what I'm doing. Oh god, I'm about to sneeze. God, man. Where's the rest of the players? Because I don't remember. Oh, one of them died. Oh god, I don't have any time to speak right now. Oh, what I have it. HBN. What do you mean by HBN? God, man. Okay, so that one sucked. I think I'm getting worse at this game. Me no know what to do. Happy home. Let's go. I wonder who's talking. I wonder who's talking like that. It might be another, maybe, locator. I have no clue. I am this. I really don't know. Right. I'll just stay right here. Hi. I'll be nice this time. Meow, meow, meow. Ah, fuck. Oh, time to get the hell out of here. Cause I don't want to die. Oh, God. Okay. Easy. Just stay in the brown blocks, hoping no one will push you. And someone just died. Puff buddy. Oh, buddy, where's the firefighters, man? They're a little too late. Oh, yeah. I'll just go join them. I'm gonna join these people having fun. Uh-oh. Never mind. On second thoughts, I really don't want to join anyone. Pokemon. I'm getting too close to the fire. Hi. Okay. Wanna play on just these? Boop. I'm pretty sure we'll get on fire. Let's go. But I'm pretty sure nothing will get on fire. That was actually pretty easy. Cause all you gotta do is just get away from the flipping fire. Okay, so I don't know what to do. So badly, I just want to scream. I really do. This is really awkward. Height school. I love Pokemon. Yeah, say that out. I don't know. I should just be right there. I'll just be here, buddy. No. Okay. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, cool. I can do this. You having just a mummy or something? What do you mean having? Oh crap! Okay, well, meteor shower. What's in it? Us. What? I have no clue what she just said. Buddy, you're gonna get killed, bud. Okay, I'm gonna also get killed. Can I get out? I'm gonna get down from here. Oh, he has the best shelter of all. I don't want to steal his shelter. I might go find my own. Oh. Okay. Oh, he doesn't have any protection. Fun. Oh, God. Boom. Oh, God. Oop, wrong word. Autocorrect. Boom. I don't want to die, buddy. I don't know how many times we have to leave. Are we done? Is the meteor shower like finished, buddy? I'm gonna be here for a long time. You little. Who? Okay, not much people survived. I get it. It's kind of hard. Need a lift? Pick up a green balloon of your own. Come on, buy the balloon. Come on, buddy. Happy home. Nuke poop a boy. How? He rude. It sucks that it doesn't show our bubble chat, so it's kind of hard to see what the hell people are saying. And it's probably like a sandstorm. I don't know. This is. Well, this is so. Bird. For no reason. Name it. I don't know any flying objects. My eyes like actually hurt. We're gonna be here for the longest time, buddy. Oh God. We'll be here for a long time, buddy. Okay, I think I'm safe. Turtle girl, oh God, oh no, we almost done yet? Oh, okay. I don't know where the hell. No! No! Oh, got destroyed by this stupid thing. An apple saves the day, whatever it means. I don't know, bud. My man. I don't think animals survived. Or survived. Yeah, I can't really tell. It would survive. Oh, three of them survived. Well, that's nice. Dance. One. What the hell am I doing? Can't use emotes here. Dance. Why are they all just surrounding me? I have no clue. Salt. 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 Yeah, I'm just gonna say that. Salt. I don't even know what that is. Meow. 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 I have no idea of doing what the hell I'm doing. Oh God. Well, See you around, people. It's almost time for me to